Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about PowerToys and introduction to it. Content. What is PowerToys? How to install PowerToys? Best PowerToys features for day-to-day use. What is PowerToys? Microsoft PowerToys is an app that has many utilities. These utilities are features that help people do everyday tasks or complicated tasks. Many utilities have completely different use cases, but it all comes down to one thing: getting work done faster and making it simple. Now we'll learn how to install PowerToys. Let's go to Microsoft Store, and here we'll just click on PowerToys and spell it. And now you will get lots of these, but we should click on the first thing, which is Microsoft PowerToys, and the icon looks like this. Let's click. Yes, so now you can click on the install button, but I have already installed, as you can see. So now we learned how to install PowerToys. Let's learn the best features of um, PowerToys. Now these are the enabled modules / utilities, and these are the best ones I picked out. So here, always on top, any calculation you make, here calculator, any calculation you make, you want to keep it here, but like you have to check for the other window, but you still want it to be at top. Just click on this and Windows Control T while you're inside this tab. Windows Control T. Now this sound and this uh, this outline. So now no matter what I do, it's at the top. And now we have awake. This keeps your PC awake. Color picker. So Windows Shift C. This picks out a color, and whenever you do, when you click, you'll have this hex, RGB, and HLS. So next you have Find My Mouse. This is control. This can be used to find your mouse. For example, I don't know where I kept it right now. Control, and you found it. Next you have peak. Next you have fancy zones, which is Windows Shift. That this will keep it in your fancy zone. Like basically, this is like one of these, but customized. You can customize. So you have to do Windows Shift. So Windows Shift, and now you can keep it at number 1, 2, or 3. So 2 is the largest, so it's better to keep it there. And this is you can customize it, but I'm using the default layout. Image resizer, it resizes images. Next you have mouse highlighters, highlights clicks. Right now also I'm using it. So for example, Windows Shift H, and now it's not working. Again I use Windows Shift H. Now it works. This is a bit very useful. Next you have peek. This you can see any image in File Explorer. For example, this rag in Python. For example, what is the shortcut? Control space. Okay, so plus space. You find this. We are not actually opening it with photos, so this is easier. Or you can see from here. And next you have, yes, paste as plain text. My second favorite. Here you can Windows Control Alt V. For example, you have some. I'll make some colored text. Yes, this. So introduction. Let's make it highlighted. So now I don't want it to be highlighted. So I'll Control C, Control A, Control C. Right now this is copied. But then again I need it to be not highlighted but also copied. Instead of doing it manually, Control V and stop the highlighting, I can just use this, which is Windows Control Alt V. So let's just go to Word. Yes. So Windows Control Alt V. Windows Control Alt V. See, now there's no highlight, which is useful. For example, like if you want to paste like any highlighted or colored text into normal text. Now let's do. And next we have power rename. This can rename files and folders in easier way. Now a screen ruler. This is useful for measuring pixels in your screen as told. So Windows is Shift M, and now it's working. So for example, I keep this ruler. You can see exactly how much. So this goes at the largest as 119 pixels, 115, and so on. And here barely yes 189 highest. Now let's just cancel. So next we have PowerToys Run, my favorite. You can do lots of things with this, and you can customize it. So here there's lots of things here. Yeah, here. But my favorites are history, web search, and more. So first we'll see the web search. For example, I do uh, what is the capital of India. Now you can search the web while it's waiting. New Delhi. Next, it can also do lots of math without using calculator. So, like for example, I want 120 um, times 2 and 240, correct? So yes, and also you can use your own power toys. For example, um, a thread color picker. Now you can pick your colors. This is an easier way compared to the shortcut. So next, as you can see, it's all good. Next, shortcut guide. This gives you show a help overlay on with Windows shortcuts. This can be very useful if you don't know Windows shortcuts. So Windows Shift and this. Okay, A open action and like this. Okay. Screen. Next we have text extractor. The last one here. This is used so that you can extract text. For example, I'll extract the text from here. Windows Shift T here. Windows Shift T. And now you can just extract this text like that. Now you have extracted it, and in Word, text extractor, a convenient way to copy text. Shift T anywhere on the screen. It's not good at like formatting, but it's fine. Okay, now let's. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share this video.